आजिर यात्रा माँ घंटेश्वरी पीठ।
Ghanteshwari Temple, which is also known as the Temple of Bells, is 33 km away from Sambalpur district in the western state of Odisha in India.
संबलपुर सहरु 33 किलोमीटर दूर रे थिबा चिपिलिमा गाँव रे अछि एही पीठ। संबलपुररू एही पीठ को पड़िथिबा रास्ताटी बहुत सुंदर। रास्ताटी जंगल भीतर दे जाइछि। रास्तारे गला बेले बाट सारा चारि पाखरे थिबा सबुज गछलता दूर पहाड़र मनोरम प्राकृतिक दृश्य देखि देखि जिवे। घंटेश्वरी पीठ संबलपुर एक मुख्य दर्शनीय स्थान। महानदी कूलरे प्रायतः 1770 मसीहारू यह पीठ दंडायमान होई रहिछि।
The temple is unique in its own way and has an amazing blend of colorful Odisha's culture and dense green galleries. Ghanteshwari temple is situated at the banks of river Mahanadi and executes a spectacular view during sunrise and sunset. If you love capturing the nature's beauty in your camera, Ghanteshwari temple is your paradise.
गछ लता और पत्र रे घंटेश्वरी देवींकर मंदिर छात आच्छादित होई रहिछि।
Here languages spoken are Odia, Hindi and English. Best time to visit Sambalpur is from September to March because of good weather. Ghanteshwari temple was built during the ancient times by sailors on the bank of river Mahanadi. Bells in the temple were used to alert the villagers and other sailors against the storm and strong winds. It was the lighthouse without light. People tie bells to Ma Ghanteshwari after their fulfillment of their wish. Hence, you can see bells everywhere in the temple. Ghanteshwari temple is the soul of Chipilima village. It is the treasure trove of beautiful natural splendor. Ghanteshwari temple, Chipilima hydropower plant and Chipilima village are nature lovers' delight.
नदी कूलर मनोरम प्राकृतिक दृश्य को शीतल पवन एवं गछर शीतल छाई मन को शांति दिए एठारे। भक्त मानकर मनस्कामना पूर्ण हेले माँ का पाखरे मानसिक करिथिबा घंटी बांधी दियंती।
Be careful with the troops of monkeys in the temple as they can snatch things thinking that it is food. Ma Ghanteshwari's temple is one of the most holiest and beautiful places in Sambalpur. This is also a very famous picnic spot. The speciality of this temple area is thousands of bells hanging all around, the only place of its kind in Odisha. Earlier, there were some big size bells on this spot, and with the help of wind, those were creating enormous sound, which made the navigators aware of this treacherous spot and they never came near it. This area, being the conglomeration of three streams of water of river Mahanadi, the water current here is very treacherous, forming a whirlpool. Due to this, many boats were drowned while nearing this spot. Here, the wind blows quite heavily, and with the help of it, the bells were producing sound. Now, after the construction of Hirakud Dam, this spot has become safer.
ଏକାବେଳେ ଏତେ ସଂଖ୍ୟକ ଘଣ୍ଟି ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଅନ୍ୟ କୌଣସି ପୀଠରେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳେନି। ଚୈତ୍ର ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣିମାରେ ମାଙ୍କର ପୂଜା ବହୁତ ଧୁମଧାମରେ ପାଳିତ ହୁଏ। ଏହି ମନ୍ଦିର ପାଖରେ ରହିଛି ଚିପଲିମା ଜଳ ବିଦ୍ୟୁତ ପ୍ରକଳ୍ପ। ସେଠାକାର ପ୍ରାକୃତିକ ଦୃଶ୍ୟ ଆହୁରି ସୁନ୍ଦର।
With Ma Ghanteshwari temple, a very nice and beautiful dam is also here named Chipilima Dam. Chipilima is known for a natural fall harnessed for generating electricity. The place has gained prominence as the second hydroelectric project of the Hirakud Dam. Walking on the Chipilima bridge offers beautiful meadows and dense forest views. Mahanadi river water flows smoothly under the bridge, murmuring and kissing the walls of the bridge.
ସବୁଜ ପାହାଡ଼କୁ ବିଶାଳ ଜଳରାଶି ଘେରି ରହିଥିବାର ଦୃଶ୍ୟ ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମନୋରମ। ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଥିବା ରାସ୍ତାଟି ଅଣଓସାରିଆ ଓ ଭୟ ଲାଗେ ଯିବାକୁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଭୟ ଦୂର କରି ଗଲା ପରେ ଯେଉଁ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଦୃଶ୍ୟ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳେ ତାହା ଯାତ୍ରାକୁ ସାର୍ଥକ କରେ। ଯଦି ଆପଣ ସମ୍ବଲପୁର ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ତେବେ ଘଣ୍ଟେଶ୍ୱରୀ ପୀଠକୁ ଯେମିତି ହେଲେ ଯିବେ। ସେହି ପୀଠକୁ ଗଲା ପରେ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିପାରିବେ ସମ୍ବଲପୁରକୁ ଆସିବାର ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଯାତ୍ରା ସାର୍ଥକ ହୋଇଛି।
নাম ধরি মা তোর নাম ধরি মঙ্গলা তুই হই অপূর্ণা পার্বতী তুই দুর্গা দেবী অপূর্ণা পার্বতী তুই দুর্গা দেবী লহ লহ জিজ্ঞা করু ও মাতা লহ লহ জিজ্ঞা করু উভা হইছিলু নদী খণ্ডি রহিলু ধরা সে বিছিলা তোতে ধরা সে বিছিলা তোতে লহ লহ জিজ্ঞা করু দিয়ে দিলাম মঙ্গারো মালো দিয়ে দিলাম মঙ্গারো মালো দিয়ে দিলাম চম্পা যে ফুল ঘণ্টের বাড়ি জগতরে তোর বানাগুড়িয়া জগতরে তোর বানাগুড়ি নদী খণ্ডি রহিল পূজা পাইল নদী খণ্ডি রহিল পূজা পাইল ধরা সে বিছিলা তোতে গোমাগো ঘণ্টের বাড়ি তোর বানা গরুতে জয় মা ঘণ্টের